Guys, sorry I wasn't in school yesterday. I just wanted to clarify and make sure how we know how to get onto OneDrive and make sure that you guys can access stuff because going forward, I anticipate that we are probably going to be doing some online learning with all of this virus and out of school stuff that's going on. So anyhow, so you should be on your BCPS one. Obviously, yours is going to look a little bit different because yours is not going to say educators, but you should have something over here to the right hand side. This is instruction and productivity tools. You're going to click on that. Make sure that you are signed into your OneDrive. If you click on it, it should bring you to a login screen. Mine's not going to do that because I already automatically have it set up that I'm logged in. Okay. When you go from there, you can access our course, obviously from Schoology by going to your courses and then finding Palermo 2B Science. Anytime that you can't find an assignment, it should be along here. There's one reason or one way that you can find it. It's going to be in the calendar. If it's past the date, there's another way that you can find it. You can go to your grade book or you go to your grades. If you go to your grades and then you click on the assignment, then it should show you that. Unfortunately, I can't do that with mine because I would be showing you my grade book, and obviously I can't show you everybody's grades. A third way that you can also access assignments is by going to our folders and then clicking on the folder and then finding the assignment. So yesterday's assignments were both here. I'm going to show you what it should look like. So when you click on it, it's going to give you an assignment like this, and it's going to, you should be able to have a hyperlink like this. If you click on that, it probably will take you to OneDrive. Therefore, you should have been signed into OneDrive before. If you're not, make sure that you're signed into OneDrive again. I'm able to see who submitted it and who has opened it and who has not opened it. If you are still having difficulty, try to email me and I will try to work it out and try to maybe make you a one-on-one video or go into your account and see what's going on. If you have any questions, always email me on the Schoology. All right, have a good rest of your break and I will talk to you later.